Right off of the Ben Franklin Parkway. It's just a mess out there. What are you seeing, Chris?
Well, Shane, I can tell you, first thing that strikes you is what a difference a day makes. Picture perfect day, absolutely picture perfect weather day. We're down here in the centerpiece of Philadelphia, the Ben Franklin Parkway, where they're getting ready for the Made of America Festival. You see the Franklin Institute behind me. Right below me is Interstate 676, the Vine Street Expressway. You've probably seen it, you've probably driven it, but you've never seen it like this. Feet and feet of water just flooding I-676. That is the Schuylkill River water, overflowing its banks, making its way here to the Vine Street Expressway. It has been shut down all day. We're seeing it drop a little bit, but not really fast. Let me show you earlier, the Schuylkill Expressway was closed today. I was trying to get through it, as well as thousands of people were trying to get through. The Schuylkill Expressway, from what we understand, is still closed at this hour. Gridlock all around the city, especially around the Schuylkill River. The Martin Luther King, Kelly Drive. Now, let's go to where their evacuations happened today at Park Place Apartments, about 22nd and the Parkway. Evacuations were there, that huge building, 20-some floor building evacuated because of the water you see under me here on the Vine Street Expressway. Those evacuations continue at this hour. Hundreds are still out of their building. And it is just an absolute mess. Let's bring you back out here to the Vine Street Expressway and what we've been seeing throughout the day. Of course, again, you don't see it like this, guys, and a lot of people out here taking a look at what Mother Nature left behind. Once again, what a difference a day makes. Yesterday this, today a gorgeous day here in the city.